Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your search bar in the Shopify Dawn theme. So this is pretty simple to do. Let's get straight to it. So just open up your Shopify control panel and click on Online Store. Then click on the three dots and click on Edit Code. Right here you will need to wait until it loads and you'll get something like this. Then click on the assets on this drop down menu and click on base.css, and then you'll need to just basically use the scroll and scroll until you see the bottom of these lines. And then what you'll need to do is write the code right here. You'll see what I'm writing it. So basically you will need to write like this: dot header to this, then icon, search, space, and then click on enter, then write display none, and then important. And after that what you'll need to do is hit save, as you can see like this. And if you go to the store, or if you want to look if we change that, just go on edit theme, and basically you'll see that we no longer have the search bar. If you want to remove that and just see on the web store, just click like this and you'll see that you don't have a search bar. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.